how to optimize your new Galaxy on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, you will see click on Connections. After click on Connections, make sure first of all turn on Wi-Fi calling button. After turn on Wi-Fi calling button, go back and scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on Motion Smoothness. After click on Motion Smoothness, click on Adaptive. After click on Adaptive, go back, scroll down, and click on Battery. After click on Battery, scroll down, and click on battery protection. Turn on battery protection and click on adaptive. After click on adaptive, go back. After turn on battery protection, go back, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style and apply your favorite theme color. Apply your favorite theme. After apply favorite theme, scroll down and click on color. You will see. You will select from here. After adjusting, go back and click on theme. After click on theme, so you will select theme from here. After select theme, click on apply. You will see theme is applied. After the process, go back to home screen and just click and hold power button and power off phone. After power off, so that's how you can optimize your new Galaxy on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.